everyone, this is Salman and welcome back to your channel Mech Time. Today we are gonna see the design procedure for wire ropes. So that comes under the DME 2 second module chapter 3rd. So we have seen in the last video the belts. Now today we are gonna see the wire ropes design procedure. The next video I'll be solving the problems on a wire ropes, and then we remains with the last topic, that is chain drive. Then our whole third chapter will be completed. So without taking more time, let's go. As you can see, the question name is design procedure for a wire rope. So I have drawn a figure for it. So this W is nothing but the total load. Okay. So this DW, capital small d and small w, is known as the diameter of a wire. This is shew. Okay. And this is depth of mine. Okay. Now we'll start. Let D is equals to diameter of a rope. Small d is equals to diameter of rope. And capital D is nothing but diameter of a shew. This. Okay. Now, h is nothing but the depth of mine or a height of buildings. This is nothing but h. Okay. So W is a total load. So this W is the total load. WR is nothing but the weight of rope. Okay. And DW is nothing but the diameter of a wire. Okay. Now A is what? A is area of a cross section of a rope. Okay. Now PB is equals to FB is nothing but bending load in the rope. We can denote it by PB or FB. Okay. Now FA is nothing but allowable pull in the rope, and FU is the ultimate or a breaking load of a rope, and N is the factor of safety, and WS is the starting load. Okay. So first we need to go finding the total load. What is total load here? W. Okay. W is equals to load to be lifted plus weight of skip. Okay. This load to be lifted and weight of skip both will be given in the question. Okay. So no need of there is nothing formula, like you need to just remember total load W is nothing but load to be lifted plus weight of the skip. Okay. Now you got a total load. What we have to find next? Total weight of a rope. So that is WR. So what you have to do, that is weight per meter length into H. Okay. So weight per meter length into H, where H is nothing but that will be given. H is nothing but here depth of mine or a height of building. Okay. Now third is inertia load due to acceleration, that is W1 is equal to also MA. Okay. That is inertia load due to acceleration. W1 is equals to MA is equals to W. W is nothing but total load plus WR, that is nothing but total weight of rope, and divided by G into A. Okay. Now fourth one, we need to find the bending load. Bending load FB is PB is equals to FB is equals to K into ADW divided by capital D. This formula is there in the data handbook. So it's there in the data handbook, which is on page number 298. As you can see on the page number 298. So bending load, the bending load FB is equals to sigma BA is equals to all K into A dW by D, that is 14.20 B. Okay. It's all there on the page number 298. So I am referring the data handbook, which is by K Mahadevan and K Ballavira Reddy. So 14.20, page number 298, equation number 14.20, it's B. Okay. Now once you find the starting load, bending load, we need to go with the starting load. Starting load is nothing but WS. Okay. So WS is equals to 2 times of W, that is total load, plus WR, that is total weight of rope. Okay. Now your starting load is over. We need to go with the maximum load. So maximum load will be by during the uniform velocity, during acceleration, and during starting. Then you have to neglect the impact, then you will find the total, that is maximum load. Okay. F max. Okay. Now during uniform velocity, it will be W plus WR plus PB. You need to remember W, WR and PB. And in the next, during acceleration, what you have to do, you have to just add a W1. Okay. Now during starting is equals to WS plus PB. Now F max is the maximum among the above three values. We know that F max is maximum among the above three values, that is during uniform velocity and during acceleration and during starting. Now we have to neglecting the impact. Okay, after neglecting the impact, it will be like F max. Therefore F max is equal to W plus WR plus W1 plus PB. Okay, PB. Now that is bending load. Now at last you need to find the diameter of a rope. So in the every problem they will ask the diameter to find the diameter of load. So this is the procedure you need to go with. So FA is greater than the F max. So FU by N is greater than the F max. So if you neglect the impact, it will be FU by N. What is F max? F max is nothing but W plus WR plus W1 plus PB. You need to write this, and you'll get a D value over here. And then from the table, for a 6 into 19 rope, standard diameter you need to select. If suppose you got 52, but from the table for 6 into 19 rope, standard diameter D is suppose 58, then you need to take the standard diameter D is equals to 58 mm. Okay, so this was the design procedure for the wire rope, guys. So no need to very like it doesn't the important thing is it will be like related to everyone. Okay, so if you'll find the total load, so it will related to WR. Then if you find this, then inertial load due to acceleration, you have to just add this divided by G into A. Okay, then this will be there in the bending load will be there in the data handbook. And starting load, you need to just 2 times by W plus WR. Then you have to take a three values, and then among them you have to tell that we know that the maximum of F max is maximum among these all three values. And after neglecting, you will get this value, and the diameter of FA is equals to greater that F max, and then FU by N is greater than F max. Then after neglecting, you have to just keep FU by N as it is, and F max value is W plus WR plus W1 plus PB. And then you need to find the D, and from the table for 6 into 19 rope standard diameter we have to select that D is equals to in mm. Okay, so in the data handbook itself, so from the table is there na, you will be finding like wire ropes. There will be for every problem there will be like if suppose your data table is having a page number which is away from this formulas. Okay, so there will be a data handbook table number given. So wire rope figure 14.10 and table 14.25 to 14.33. So in this between only the wire ropes every table will be given. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please do share this video with your friends and help them to get a good marks. And please like to my channel and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, please drop your comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.